Tara, let's find out why. Hello! Why is Accenture a great place to work?
Well, I love the fact that I can maintain regular office hours now. When I used to work at a law firm, I got so used to working late night hours on a regular basis. But now I can get out of the office before sunset and spend more time with my family and my kids. I also love the fact that I can combine my skills as a lawyer with new technologies as well.
Wow, new skill unlocked. Hi, why is Accenture a great place to work?
Easy! Super love the health benefits. Our prescription meds are covered. Nakatipid na ako sa meds, free delivery pa. Accenture also has a lot of ties up with other companies para makapag-offer ng huge discount to their employees. I even got my phone at discounted price.
Hi, we're asking employees why it's great to work here.
Oh, I love how my leads respect my personal time and boundaries. So kung naka-leave ka, dili gyud ka nila tawagan for work. And as part of the HR team, we also have our HR away days where we can spend time and just relax. Unya gani mag-video kay mi kuyog ta.
Go ako, mukhang masaya yan. At marami pang iba. You too can learn, grow, and advance with one of the Philippines' great places to work. Click the link to learn more.